Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor at Wyzant, and I'm answering this question submitted by a student. This is somebody who's probably taking statistics and probability this year. And probability to me is really can be a real nuisance to get these right. This one's pretty simple. We just have to figure out how many ways are there to draw a six or a spade from a deck of cards. Some of my students don't actually know anything about a deck of cards. And so that can be an issue too for this kind of problem. A lot of people just play games online and they're not playing games with decks of cards anymore. Well, in case you didn't know, there are 52, there are 52 cards in a deck. 52 cards in a deck, and there are inside this deck there are uh, four different types of cards. You have diamonds, and you have hearts, and you have clubs, and you have spades. The spades and the clubs are black. The hearts and the diamonds are red. So there's 13 of each of these. And if you multiply 4 by 13, you'll see that it's 52. Okay. So there's 13 spades. Now, one of those spades is a 6. So we have to make sure we account for that because one of them is a 6 of spades. But there's also a 6 in here, clubs. And there's a 6 in here and a 6 in here. This is for diamonds. Let me clean up that. That's a pretty ugly looking D there. This is our diamonds. So there's a 6 of spades, a 6 of clubs, a 6 of hearts, a 6 of diamonds. So it's all of these 13, all the spades, because any spade would count as an event here, would qualify as an event. And then these three here have to be accounted for also because it's or. This is a key word here. So there's three more here that we didn't account for. You see, we've got all the spades, including the 6 of spades, but then there's a 6 of clubs, 6 of hearts, 6 of diamonds. And altogether, there are 52 cards in the deck. So that's pretty simple. 16 over 52. And I'll reduce that on my calculator. And I get 4 over 13. And that's it. So in general, the probability of an event occurring is the number of ways the event could occur, which is in this case 16, divided by what we call the sample space, or all the possible outcomes of the experiment. So in this case, the experiment is to draw one card from a deck of cards, and there are 16 different ways that you could satisfy the conditions for the event to occur, divided by 52 different cards that you could have drawn. And that's all it is. So it's pretty easy. I think when you're seeing these for the first time, they can be kind of tough, but you'll get used to it. You just have to keep at it, keep practicing, and you'll get through the probability chapter, and you'll be on to statistics and other things. Hopefully that'll be a little bit easier for you. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.